Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Scholar and, if useful, signing in so your library saves. Type 2-3 concise keywords that capture the main idea, include an author name or a year when you can. Use quotes around exact phrases and a minus sign to remove unrelated topics. This narrows results fast and focuses relevance. Once done, glance at the right hand, links for PDFs, and the citation count to see which items are influential. This guides your next refinements. Now refine results with Google Scholar's controls. Open advanced search to target title, author, or publication. That's how you find precise matches. Apply a year range to limit to recent work or historical context, and switch between relevance and date sorting depending on your goal. To broaden good leads, click Cited By to see papers that reference the one you like, and related articles to find similar studies. These steps deepen coverage and quickly build a reliable reading set for your project. Finish by saving selected records to my library and exporting citations in the format your project needs, such as bibtx or EndNote, which speeds referencing. Make sure to check publisher links and available PDFs on the right. When full text is absent, visit author pages, institutional repositories, or email authors. Most respond. If results seem off, broaden keywords or remove strict filters, then resort by date. This troubleshooting often surfaces overlooked articles and completes your literature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.